How to download and install PayPal on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to download and install PayPal app on your iPhone, it is quite simple. So first and foremost, head over to your App Store. To do so, swipe down from your home screen and tap on App Store. This will ask Face ID for verification. Next, tap on the search bar and type in PayPal. This will give different options. Search for the PayPal Send, Manage and Pay. Tap on the Get button. Once tapping on it will require you to double click on the side button and then confirm it with your Face ID. Once you do so, the download and installation should start. Once the download is completed, the installation will also automatically start. Once completed, you will see the Open button pop up. Tap on it. Now the application is ready to use. Tap on the Login button and give in your credentials, which includes email and password. Tap on Login and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.